Hello, thanks for tuning in to this week's Prime Insight. My name is Vince Pizzat, the shop lead here at BlastOne. One of the biggest issues on a job site is cleanup. Nobody really takes it into consideration. We have an option for you. Today we're going to be introducing the Vacuload 1. Typically when vacuuming, there's two different applications. There's spread out sand everywhere, or at the end of a job site after the job's done, there's just a lot of cleanup. So you would use a flared pickup tool. It's kind of like a big broom and it vacuums pretty well. And then in other applications, you would use a bulk pickup tool for loading a bulk car. And what this unit does is you would sump it right into the bulk bag of sand, and it allows air to keep moving through the line so that the line doesn't completely clog. How does this vacuum system work? Well, let's go through it. You're going to have your bull hose supply hose here, your safety whip check, and your air inlet valve. When the valve is open, compressed air comes through, goes through a venturi nozzle, through the inductor, which creates a vacuum. Your vacuum hose then goes to the vessel itself, which creates a cyclone, settling out dust and abrasive into the storage hopper. From there, the storage hopper can easily be removed by simply pushing down the handle, locking it out, rolling the foot pedal out for easy disposal. Just a quick note, you want to make sure that you use reinforced drums for this unit, because if you don't, it actually crushes the barrels. Let's check it out. Just to give you an idea how strong the substance actually is, watch what happens when you don't use a reinforced drum. That's Vacuload. Here at BlastOne, we believe in using superior equipment for superior performance. These units are on rent in the rental fleet. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Prime Insight.